Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing the scooter and making safety choices. Power down, remove battery if possible, and stand the scooter on both wheels so the stem is accessible. Check the handlebar clamp and visible bolts for looseness or stripped threads. This tells you whether tightening will fix it or parts must be replaced. Once done, collect the right tools: Allen keys, a torque driver, light lubricant, and a rag, because correct torque and clean parts prevent recurring slop and protect cables. You now loosen the clamp bolts evenly, a quarter turn at a time, so the stem moves freely without binding. Align the handlebars with the front wheel by siding down the stem. You want the grips parallel to the wheel for predictable steering. While holding the stem straight, tighten bolts in an X pattern or alternating order so tension distributes evenly. This prevents tilt. Make sure to apply a small amount of thread locker on healthy threads, and torque to spec to avoid over-tightening and damaging aluminum. You finish by ensuring cables and wires sit clear of clamps and are not pinched, then snug any accessory mounts. Do a short, controlled test ride at walking speed to feel for remaining play, creak, or steering drift. These indicate either loose fasteners or worn headset bearings. If everything is solid, recheck bolt torque and trim zip ties. If wobble persists despite correct torque, remove the stem to inspect headset bearings and the clamp face. Replace worn parts rather than repeatedly tightening, which
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.